Hello, my students. How are you? I hope that you are good and you listen to my video here. So, our lessons today will be about adverbs that compare. Okay? So, we studied that adjectives that compare, and now we have adverbs that compare. So, the same thing that we said about adjectives that compare, here we say it about adverbs that compare. Let's see our lesson. So here, what is an adverb first? A word that describes a verb is an adverb. So, any word that describes a verb, describe the action, we call it what? Adverb. And we know that we have 4 types of adverbs. It tells when, where, also it tells how, and also how often something is done. Okay, here we can use adverbs to compare actions. So we use adverbs to compare action. Do you remember when we say we use adjectives to compare two nouns? Now we use adverbs to compare what? Excellent, to compare actions, verbs, something that we do. Here, the ER form an adverb compares two actions. We call it comparative adverbs. So comparative, we compare two things, we add ER, or later we will see that we add more in some cases. Okay? Here, the EST form of an adverb compares 3 or more actions. 3 or more what? Actions. Again, the word is action, not 3 or more things. It's actions, verbs, something that we do. What we call it, if you see EST, we call it superlative adverbs. Okay? Let's move to see some examples. Here, Basil studies hard. So here, Basil is noun. Studies is the verb, is the action. Here, hard is what? The adverb. And we know that the adverb hard describes what? When, or where, or how often. Excellent. It describes how. How Basil studies hard. And we said that it can, an adjective can happen or can comes before or after after the verb. Okay? Let's see how we use the word hard, how we use the adverb hard to compare two actions. Here, Basil studies harder than Tom. Basil studies, this is the verb that we want to compare it, harder than Tom. So now I have Basil studies, also Tom studies. So who studies harder than the other? Excellent. Basil studies, this is the verb, harder than Tom. So here, the adverb harder, yes, it's comparative because the adverb is hard plus ER, the comparative form, ER. Here I want to pay your attention or to draw your attention in the word hard. Sometimes the word hard comes an adjective, okay? Sometimes it comes an adverb, okay? Do not mix. Do not mix between the two things, the two ways. It's easy like to distinguish between them. Sometimes I can say, it's a hard job. So I describe job, I describe thing, right? With the word hard. So now hard is an adjective. But if I describe the action, Basil studies hard. For example, my dad works hard. Works hard, right? So I describe now the action of working.